Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Josh from Triple Growth Advertising, where you can get live music with every video at the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, please share it with some of your friends, 2 or 3 people. That would help a lot in getting to 100,000 views. All right, so today we're going to talk about how to set up your first Google Ad account. If you haven't done it before, I think it's something you should try out. Um, So I'm going to set this up with an email that I have not set up a Google Ad account with. So I'm going to be walking through this whole process with you. All right, so we get to that Google Ads homepage that you've been looking at here. You click Start Now. I'm going to switch Google accounts here. So I got my triple growth ad. I got my Josh One Pop. That's my personal. And then I got my college email here. I went to college to Illinois Institute of Technology. All right, so we're going to be taken to this page. We're going to click on New Google Ad Account. I got a degree in mechanical engineering, graduated a few years ago. All right, so we're taken to this page. Maybe your page will be a little different, but this is the general thing that you're going to get. You're going to prompt it to make 3 decisions. If you'll notice on the bottom here, it says experienced with Google Ads. If you click on that, it'll take you to a page where you can make more in-depth decisions about how your campaign is going to run. All right, so you got all these different options here. But we're gonna go back. We're not gonna mess with that today. That's a whole nother topic. We're gonna take this really simple route, and I think Google calls this dynamic ads. So we want more people to visit our website. Not dynamic ads. What am I saying? Take some notes here. Dynamic search ads. And the way it works is just takes information from your website and then fills in ad copy and keywords and all that with the subject of your website. All right, so that's my website is triplegrowthad.com. My business name is Growth Advertising. All right, so I already made a Google account for this one, but I'm from the Chicago area. That's why you're going to see all that pop up. So on this first page side here, we can pick a radius, right? If you have a local business and you only serve people in the area, this is great. Um, for me, it's more of it really doesn't matter. It's more of a remote service. I don't have to be in a physical location to make it work. So I'm just going to put United States. And I could put Canada if I want to, but we'll skip that for now. All right, so now it's telling you to pick a service. So how did Google know that I'm doing internet marketing service, search engine optimization? I'm not doing that, but doing Google Ad Management, Google Ad Manager. How does it know that? Well, let's type in my website at the top here, triplegrowthad.com. Grow your business. Google, right? So it looks at your website. It looks at those meta keywords. I'm not fluent in SEO, but it looks at the description of your website. It looks at everything, all the content that you have here, and it gets a general idea. So to me, what this is telling me, even if you don't use Google Ads, it's telling me that hey, Google sees my website as as a marketing service, and that's what I do. So it's good that Google does see it like that. All right, so this is what we're doing. All right, that's kind of what Google will target. Now we have to write our ad. Ooh, all right, so ad copy. This is a whole subject in itself, but we'll wrap it up nice and quick. So these are called headlines at the top. That's what appears in blue on your ad. You have 30 characters in a headline, and your goal is to get as close as you can to that 30. You want to provide as much content to your customer who is searching for you to help them find you. Your first headline should kind of identify what your business is, right? Google automatically put my business name in there. I would maybe but what you do, not necessarily your business name, because people won't know your business name. They'll see your business name in the website link here. All right, but certified Google Ad Specialist. All right, check that out. 30 keywords. That's awesome. So that's what I am. The second headline is something that may align. Think of what someone will research when they go on Google. So manage your Google ad account. 29 keywords. And I'm making this up on the spot. If I actually had to do this, I would sit down and put more thought into it. Third headline, maybe something a little more enticing, a call to action. Um, schedule free consultation. Right. So all these are pretty close to that 30 mark, and that's kind of what we want. You want to have one of these headlines because the thing is, when you search, you don't really look at the descriptions on the bottom here, right? Um, I'll show you an example in a second, but people usually miss these things. All right, so it's really important to get your headlines down. It's really simple. You just want to identify maybe a value proposition, what you do, and then another headline that aligns with a potential keyword that someone will type in. All right, and then for the descriptions, you want again to have your keyword, potential keyword, or what your business is in here, but it just provides more content. All right, so that's ad number one. All right, then you can create ad number two, ad number three. The idea is the goal should be to have 3 to 5 ads. The reason is Google will do A and B testing. Let's remove this ad. Google will do A and B testing to see which ad is the most effective, which has like the highest click through rates. And it'll look at a few things. And you want to make sure that you have 3 to 5 ads. All right, so we're gonna click next. Well, let's go back. It said it might get disapproved. Well, I didn't change the descriptions. All right, so now we're gonna pick our budget. So, what's your daily budget? This is pretty obvious. You can enter your own budget if you're cheap, right? So, the reason you want to put more money is the way ads are ranked first, second, and third. It doesn't depend just on money. It depends on the quality of your ad, your landing page, how closely your ad aligns with what the person searched into Google. But money is half of the equation, right? So if you put a low budget, you're not going to compete well with other people. You might get, fourth, fifth, sixth position. You'll end up at the bottom of the Google page where not too many people may search. Um, you'll be more at the top here. And so this is smart Google campaign. It does it really easily for you. So this is you're not going to be advertising simply in search network. You'll be appearing a little bit in the display network as well, right? Those little images that you find on blogs and other web pages. All right, but let's pick the 14. They always recommend the middle option. All right. So what's going to happen here is you're going to need to review your campaign settings and look at everything you did. We only have one ad. You only have 3 to 5. All right, next. Yay. Got our billing information here.